Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and permissions. Make sure your desktop has a working Wi-Fi adapter or a USB dongle. Once recognized, grant admin rights to change network settings. Next, pick an SSID and a robust WPA2 or WPA3 password so devices can join securely. Disable sleep and close bandwidth-hungry apps to avoid drops during setup. Once done, open the settings or control panel. Navigate directly to network and internet, because that's where you'll enable the hotspot feature. Now you configure the hotspot. In Settings, go to Network and Internet and select Mobile Hotspot or Hotspot and Tethering, then choose the upstream connection, Ethernet or your Wi-Fi source, so the desktop shares the correct internet. Customize the SSID and a strong password and pick the band, 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range. Also set a reasonable client limit to avoid congestion. Once configured, toggle the hotspot on and wait for the status to report active before connecting devices. Finish by connecting your phone or laptop. Choose the SSID and enter the password. Once connected, confirm you can browse. Secure the hotspot by applying firewall rules, setting data limits, and removing unknown clients promptly. If something goes wrong, first restart the Wi-Fi adapter and toggle the hotspot. Make sure the upstream connection has internet. If still offline, renew the IP, change DNS to a public resolver, or temporarily enable adapter bridging to force route sharing. That troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.